Hello everyone! Welcome to today's webinar on Mastering Printing. In this session, we will talk about how to set up printers, customize the print template, and configure its settings. I'm Belle, your host for today, and I'm thrilled to have all of you with us. Before we dive into the world of printing, let's take a quick look at what will be covered in this session. First, we will tackle the printer setup process and learn about the compatible printers you can pair to the POS. I will also walk you through the steps on how to scan and pair your printers seamlessly. Next, we will explore ticket printing. Here, you will learn how to generate various ticket types including order confirmation slips, kitchen tickets, and prep tickets, which are essential for streamlining your restaurant's operations. Finally, we will delve into template settings where you can customize the details included in receipts and tickets and tailor your prints to your specific needs. By the end of this webinar, you will hopefully have a solid grasp of these three crucial areas and you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills needed to make your printing process smoother and more efficient. So, without further ado, let's begin our journey to mastering printing setup, ticket printing, and template configuration. Are you ready to dive in? Great! Let's get started. Our first stop is printer setup. Now, grab your notes and let's discuss the ins and outs of setting up and configuring your printers. To begin, let's talk about Eats365's extensive range of compatible printers. Whether you are looking for a compact receipt printer or a robust kitchen printer, Eats365 has got you covered with a variety of options. First, we have our range of compatible thermal printers. These printers are typically used for receipt printing and are often placed at the counter or the cashier's desk. Thermal printers provide fast and clear prints, ensuring your customers receive accurate transaction records. If you have a self-order kiosk and Eats365 Biz, Eats365 also supports built-in thermal receipt printers. This streamlines the ordering process and ensures that customers receive a printed receipt upon placing their orders through the kiosk. If you need to print labels for your products or orders, Eats365 POS is compatible with label printers as well. Label printers are especially useful for businesses that require barcode labeling or packaging. When it comes to printing kitchen dockets, dot matrix printers are the go-to choice. These printers are known for their reliability, especially in the fast-paced kitchen environment. To get a more detailed list of compatible printer models and specification, you can click on the link at the top right corner of your screen. The link takes you to our knowledge base where you will find comprehensive information about each printer. If you don't see your specific printer model on the list, don't worry. Our goal is to make your integration as smooth as possible. You can easily reach out to our support team via WhatsApp and they will assist you in verifying compatibility and provide guidance on the necessary steps to set up your printer. We want to ensure that your printer seamlessly integrates with Eats365 to enhance your business operations. Now that you have confirmed that your printer is compatible, your printer is ready to be set up. Let's explore the crucial steps to ensure smooth and efficient printing of bills, receipts, and tickets whenever an order is placed through your POS or modules. Make sure that your printer is connected to the same internet network as your POS. First, log into the Eats365 POS. At the top left corner of your POS interface, you will find the Settings option. Tap on it to proceed. Under the General section, locate Printer Setup and select it. To detect all available printers on the same network, tap Scan Printers. If your printer couldn't be automatically detected, don't worry, you can add printers manually. Just click on the plus icon and then select the type of printer you want to add. To make your printer easily identifiable, give it a name. Then, enter the printer's IP address. If you are not sure where to find this information, consult your printer's user manual or contact the manufacturer. Now, let's make sure we are connected to the right printer. Tap Test and the test slip will be printed on the selected printer to confirm the connection. If the test is successful and you have identified the correct printer, you can customize the settings. Add a printer name, choose a paper width, and then click Pair Device. If you have another printer available, select the fallback printer to use if the current printer fails to print. Let's move on to our next topic, which is ticket printing, an essential component for streamlining your restaurant operations. We will begin by exploring the concept of the order confirmation slip. In a typical restaurant operation, customers receive a piece of paper or a ticket that lists all the items and the amount they ordered. This is called an order confirmation slip. It allows your customer to review their orders and check that their orders are correct. Eats365 offers two types of tickets that you can print, both of which have its pros and cons. Firstly, the confirmation receipt. The confirmation receipt prints the total order amount for the customer to review before payment. This type of receipt is helpful as it lists both the order items and the order amount. However, it can be challenging to distinguish a confirmation receipt from a regular receipt, and it won't print another ticket if an add-on order is submitted after the initial order. Secondly, the order ticket. The order ticket prints a list of all ordered items. The order ticket is easy to distinguish from a regular receipt as it has a distinct appearance. Additional orders will also be printed separately when submitted after the initial order. However, it does not display the total amount for customer review before payment. But you can always opt to print a bill upon customer request. With Eats365, you have the flexibility to choose which type of ticket you want to print. If a ticket doesn't suit your restaurant's need, you can simply turn this feature off. You can do this via the Eats365 POS or through the merchant portal. Today, we will use the POS as an example guideline. Start by logging into Eats365 POS. Once you are in, look at the top left corner of your POS interface, and you will find the Settings option. Tap on it to proceed. Within the Settings section, locate Printing and select it. This is where you can configure your ticket printing preferences. If you prefer the confirmation receipt to be printed when an order is made, tap Receipt Printing. Here, you can turn on the option Print Dine-in or Takeout or Catering Confirmation Receipt. If you ever decide not to use this feature, you can just turn it off. If the order ticket is your preference, go to Order Ticket Printing. Simply toggle on Print Dine-in or Takeout Order Ticket option. Additionally, you can enable Print Full Order Ticket if you would like to see the full order in one ticket, even after add-ons have been added to the initial order. Moving on to the next ticket type, the kitchen tickets. Typically, Asian restaurants prefer to print one kitchen ticket per item, while some Western-style kitchens prefer each kitchen ticket to include all items for a particular kitchen station. For those who prefer one kitchen ticket per item, you can turn on the Print Separate Ticket for each single item setting. So your kitchen tickets will be print each item on a separate ticket regardless if they are sharing a kitchen station or not. To enable this feature, tap Ticket Printing, toggle on Print Separate Ticket for each single item. Meanwhile, if you prefer your items that share the same kitchen station to be printed out on a single docket, for instance, mashed potatoes and garlic bread on one ticket, while all drinks from the bar station on another, you can enable Combined Kitchen Station. You can also choose to distinguish between combo and single items on the kitchen ticket, and you will see the indicator on the kitchen ticket. Next, we have the prep tickets. These are incredibly handy for restaurants looking to manage their kitchen operations efficiently. Prep tickets are printed once an order is placed on hold or is placed under a specific cost. Normally, orders are automatically sent to the kitchen upon confirmation of order. However, in cases wherein an order is placed on hold or an item is placed on a different cost, prep tickets are printed to notify the kitchen staff of the items to be prepared for later service. To enable this feature, toggle on Print Prep Ticket from the ticket printing setting. If you want to use the prep ticket features, you can enable it through the Eats365 POS or the merchant portal. For this example, we will only use the POS. First, log into the Eats365 POS. At the top left corner of your POS interface, you will find the Settings option. Tap on it to proceed. Under the Settings section, locate Printing and select it. Then, click on Ticket Printing. If you would like to print a prep ticket, under Costing, turn on Print Prep Ticket. If your restaurant is doing costing, you can also turn on Print Fire Cost Ticket. Please take note that you can only enable the Print Fire Cost Ticket when the Print Prep Ticket is on. You may notice that the Fire Cost Ticket appears nearly identical to the Fire Item Ticket, but the key difference between the two is that Fire Cost Ticket includes the costing name of your item on the ticket. And there you have it. You now have the knowledge to control your ticket printing options and choose the ones that best suits your restaurant needs. In our previous segment, you gained valuable insights into configuring your ticket printing options. Now, let's move on with configuring your ticket printing templates. This will empower you to create the perfect ticket for your restaurant's unique needs. In Eats365, we understand that every restaurant has its own unique requirements. That's why we offer a range of configurable templates, allowing you to tailor your receipt and kitchen ticket to your preference. Today, we will focus on some of the printing template settings that are most useful to your restaurant. These settings will enable you to create tickets that align perfectly with your branding and operation needs. And here's the best part. Most of these options are already described based on their actual purpose for your convenience. First, we have indicators. If you would like to print an indicator that differentiates dine-in from takeout orders on the receipt, you can activate the Print Takeout or Dine-in Indicator on Receipt option. This will display the table number for dine-in orders and takeout for takeout orders. Next, we have free text areas. These are customizable text boxes where you can enter any message you would like to include on the receipt. You can place these messages in various areas on the receipt, such as above restaurant logo, below restaurant logo, or bottom of the receipt. It's an ideal space for sharing your return policy or other relevant information with your customers. If you wish to include your store's logo, name, address, and phone number on the receipt, you can do so by turning on the Print Store Logo and Details option. In certain situations, you might want to print zero amount items on the receipt to show customers that they have received a free item. This can be done by activating either print zero amount items or print zero amount modifiers. These options will display zero amount items on the receipt as shown in the example. Additionally, you can set the default language for printed receipts or choose to print 2 languages for a manual item under the language setting. This ensures that your customer receive receipts in the language they prefer. Now, for kitchen tickets, just like on the receipt, you can choose to print an indicator on the kitchen ticket that differentiates between dine-in and takeout orders based on how the customer placed the order. You can also print kitchen tickets with 2 languages for a menu item if needed, catering to your restaurant's diverse customer base. But there are also templates unique to kitchen tickets. For example, you have the option to show dine-in order numbers on kitchen tickets, ensuring seamless order management in your restaurants. For those who prefer to have more control over ticket aesthetics, you can also adjust the top and bottom margin for kitchen tickets. Options include none, original, 2 times, and 3 times. Additionally, you can customize font size for various ticket elements, such as remarks, file labels, order numbers, and table numbers. As we conclude this webinar, we have explored some of the popular settings for customizing your ticket printing templates. If you would like to delve into more detailed settings or have additional questions, you can always click on the link at the top right to visit our knowledge base articles. There, you will find comprehensive information to assist you further. Thank you for being a part of this informative segment. We are thrilled to have the opportunity to help you tailor your ticket printing needs to perfection, ensuring your restaurants operate seamlessly and efficiently. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please do not hesitate to ask during our Q&A session. We are here to support you in achieving your ticket printing goals and enhancing your restaurant's operations. Thank you and have a great day ahead.